If you're tired of replacing light globes that throw out a dim yellow glow at best, maybe it's time to consider a set of LED globe upgrades. It's a super simple process, and not only will you gain improved light output, but low current draw and outstanding globe life make this a worthwhile upgrade. The first step is to determine the type of globe used in your headlights. In this case, it's an H4, and some vehicles may even use two types of globe for high and low beam. The headlights have been removed from this vehicle for demonstration purposes. In most cases, your LED globes can be installed in as little as 5 minutes with the headlights remaining in position. For most H4 and H7 headlights, the globe is removed by unplugging the wiring harness and freeing the spring clip. If necessary, the heatsink can be removed from the back of the new LED globe, making it easier to secure in the light housing. Just be sure to replace this later on. Each LED replacement globe will fit directly into the light housing like a regular globe and plug into existing wiring. Once installed and operating, your headlights may require adjusting to avoid irritation to other road users. The correct procedure to perform these adjustments may vary from state to state, and your vehicle owner's manual should contain instructions for adjustment. While these LED headlight upgrades are approved for off-road use only, an interior LED upgrade is entirely legal for any vehicle, and it's just as easy. The best way to determine which globes will be needed is to remove them from the vehicle and compare them with the LED interior lights on the shelf at Supercheap Auto. This SCA Universal Light Kit contains a variety of quick connect adapters, making it a great choice for most vehicles. Just choose the adapter that matches the original globe, connect this to the LED module, and plug it into the light fitting. As the LED light won't sit into its original position, locate a flat surface inside the light fixture. Clean the area with wax and grease remover, then apply the double-sided tape to fix the light in place. If the new LED does not function, try flipping the connector around to change the polarity. LED lights will only function if the polarity is correct. Not only will your new interior LED lights look great, they draw a fraction of the power, so returning to the vehicle with a flat battery is a less likely thing to worry about. Bring your automotive lighting up to modern standards and deck your car out with the range of LED upgrades available at Supercheap Auto.